Continue with chapter 13. Today we start exercise 13.2 where we will learn to construct a quadrilateral if its two sides and three angles are given. Before starting, let's recall angle sum property of quadrilateral, which says the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here we should remember that measurements of angles which are multiple of 15 will be constructed using ruler and compass, like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, 90 degree, 105 degree, 120 degree are multiple of 15. So these will be constructed using ruler and compass. In exercise 13.2, question 1 is construct a quadrilateral PQRS given that PQ is equal to 6.5 cm, PS is equal to 4.5 cm, angle P is equal to 60 degree, angle Q is equal to 90 degree, angle R is equal to 120 degree. Without proper measurements, we draw its rough sketch and write the name of it PQRS and mark PQ 6.5 cm, PS 4.5 cm, angle P 60 degree, angle Q 90 degree, angle R 120 degree. To construct angle R, we need measure of side QR, which is not given in the question. So we will find measurement of angle S as side PS length is given. To get angle S, we use angle sum property and 360 degree minus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 120 degree give measurement of angle S 90 degree. Now we construct fair sketch. Measurements of all angles are 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree given, which are multiple of 15. So here we will use compass and ruler to construct these all. First we draw PQ 6.5 cm by using ruler. We take the measure of 6.5 cm and write the point P and Q and its measurement 6.5 cm. Now on point P, we will construct 60 degree angle by using our compass. We will draw on point P a semicircle using compass, and from starting point of semicircle we draw an arc which cuts this semicircle. Where this arc cut this semicircle, we draw the side of 60 degree angle. Now from point P we will draw 4.5 cm PS. For it we will take 4.5 cm measurement in compass by using ruler, and we draw an arc on 60 degree side. Where this arc cut this 60 degree side, we put point S and we join this S with P. Now we construct 90 degree on point P by using a compass. We construct semicircle, and from starting point of semicircle, two arcs intersecting at equal distance this semicircle. Then from these two arcs, two more arcs which are intersecting each other, and we make 90 degree. Now we will construct on S 90 degree. As we already discussed that PS measurement here given, so on point S only 90 degree angle, fourth angle can be constructed. So here we are using our compass to construct 90 degree angle. Again the same process, we are applying semicircle and two arcs starting from a starting point. Then two more arcs intersecting each other. It is our 90 degree. We join this to Q 90 degree angle, and where these both sides intersect each other, we put our fourth vertex R. Now we indicate all its measurements. P as 4.5 centimeter, angle P 60 degree, angle Q 90 degree, angle S 90 degree. If these four angles we constructed, then our fourth angle definitely will be of 120 degree. So this given quadrilateral PQRS constructed.